Welcome to the PMdistilled guide. The objective of this video is to walk you through the PMdistilled guide and the website associated with the PMdistilled guide and how you can really use it uh, to really master professional project management based on the project management body of knowledge. Uh, the site URL is pmdistilled.com, and when you just get into the site, the landing page will take you to the PM Distill guide. We have the introduction, and then followed by the basic definitions, uh, like what is a project, what is an operation, what is a program, portfolio, what is a project management, or what is a project management office or a PMO, then project stakeholders, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets, success criteria, roles and responsibilities, and the three types of project management like the predictive, agile, and adaptive. So, chapter one contains these things. In chapter two onwards, we focus more on the predictive project management aspects and project initiation. So it starts with what is a predictive project management. So here we have the links. You click on it straight away. It will take you to the page explaining predictive project management, and then project management life cycle. Then we get into project initiation, what all things we really do, who all are involved. And it talks about the project chartering process as well. And we talk about project selection ratios. The chapter three covers project planning. In fact, three and four covers planning. Starts with collecting the detailed requirements, then the product breakdown structure, the work breakdown structures, cost estimation and budgeting, then the organization breakdown structure for the project. And we also discuss about control accounts. In chapter four, the emphasis is on scheduling. We start with plan schedule management, define activities, sequence activities, estimate activity durations, and developing and optimizing the project schedule. Here we talk about the activity on arrow diagrams, activity on node diagrams, activity sequencing, arriving at the critical path, crashing, fast tracking, lead, slacks, buffer, float, etc. Then in chapter 5, we discuss about planning other aspects of project management like the quality management, resource management, communications management, risk management, procurement management, health, safety, and environmental aspects, and plan stakeholder engagement. So without these things, our plan and schedule become, it will remain incomplete. So here, chapter 5 covers these things. Chapter 6 is about project execution. We have direct and manage project work, manage changes, manage project knowledge, manage quality, acquire resources, developing and managing teams, manage communications, implement risk responses, conduct procurements, and manage stakeholder engagement, and manage health, safety, and environment. Basically, this is the implementation of the plan, whether it is the do of the plan or doing things, doing the project as per the plan. So whatever is mentioned in the plan, those things gets implemented during project execution. Then chapter 7, the emphasis is on monitoring and controlling project work. We talk about controlling scope, controlling schedule, control costs, control quality, control resources, and monitor communications, risk monitoring and control, control procurements, monitor and control stakeholder engagement, earn value management in detail, and earn schedule management as well. Then we discuss more about project closure, how to formally close a project, what are the steps involved. Then we switch to agile or adaptive project management. So, chapter 9 focuses more on introduction to agile projects. What is agile and when to go for agile, servant leadership, agile chartering, and quick introduction to Scrum, the most popular agile framework. Here, you see, instead of talking a lot of things about agile, we feel that if you understand one framework completely, then it will be very easy for you to connect with the other concepts. So we give a lot of emphasis for Scrum, which is the most widely used or the most popular agile framework. Then we discuss about the roles and responsibilities of the product owner, the iteration manager or the scrum master, and the roles and responsibilities of the self-organizing team. So in Scrum, we call as the development team. Then chapter 10 focuses on agile ceremonies and artifacts like what is a product backlog, what is a user story, agile estimation, and iteration and sprint planning, velocity calculations, iteration executions, or rather sprinting, then daily team meeting or the daily scrum, then iteration review and sprint reviews and iteration or sprint retrospectives. And in chapter 11, we discuss more about the advanced agile concepts like agile execution practices that help teams to deliver value and monitoring and controlling agile projects, how we do it. Here we talk more about the control charts, the burn down charts, the sprint burn down chart, the release burn down chart, the product burn down chart, and the cumulative flow diagrams, etc. But for implementing agile, organizational change management is also very critical. So we have included that chapter under that lesson under advanced agile concepts. We also discuss about agile PMO and scaling agile focuses more on how to implement agile in very large projects. Then we switch to hybrid project management uh, because these days hybrid project management is becoming more and more popular. So for long-term planning, people use predictive styles, and for short-term plans and execution, people use agile. So that is the essence of hybrid project management. Then chapter 13 focuses more on the generic tools and techniques that can be used for both agile and predictive project and hybrid project management. Here we discuss about situational leadership, Oscar model, cross-cultural communication, Gulf of execution and evaluation, sorry, hygiene and motivational factors, Hawthorne effect, intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation, and information radiators, Kanban board, leading and lagging indicators, tailoring, theory of needs, theory XYZ, managing change, ADKAR model, the 8-step change process, Virginia Satir change model, transition model, CFIN framework, Stacy matrix, Tuckman ladder, Drexler Sibbett team performance, conflict model, negotiation, then a planning process groups like the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling and closing, then the salience model, the project management principles, and the principles of project management and project performance domains. And we have an exclusive chapter on the latest and emerging trends in project management, like building information modeling, digital project management information systems, and application of AI in project management. So these are the chapters of the PMdistilled guide uh, to professional project management. So this guide is accessible to everyone who is interested to master professional project management. You can. We also do PMP training programs around this guide, around the PMdistilled guide. Uh, so we complete the training in 10 iterations. This is a instructor-led uh, training program, and each iteration is a week. So every week there is an instructor-led session walking you through all these topics. And during the week you need to do the reading and the assessment tests. That's how it is organized. So if you are planning for a PMP certification, you are most welcome to join the PMdistilled PMP program. You click here, you get more details about the PMdistilled PMP program. Uh, the, uh, the PMdistilled guide to professional project management is open to all. So for that, you need not do our program. But in case you are looking for a highly structured, instructor-led online training program for PMP certification, uh, then you are most welcome. So your learning can be converted into the 35 PDU program. So those details are available in this page. And you can contact us using the contact us page. Uh, you can register, you can log in to our site, and you can register yourself. And once you log in, you go to the courses page where you get all the courses. So right now we have the 10 iterations to PMP certification. So if you're interested, get in touch with us. And at the same time, if you want to just uh, refer to the PMdistilled guide, you're most welcome. And on top of it, we have a discussion forum here. So if you want to pose some topics and you see clarifications, you can use the forum, and whatever you post here, we'll answer you. And there is a WhatsApp link also here. You click here, you can send us WhatsApp messages, which we will answer. So I hope you got a fair idea about the PMdistilled guide uh, and how the topics are uh, distributed across chapters. And I'm sure, and you got a fair idea about the website and about the PMdistilled PMP training program as well. Thank you.